this is my equation for my linear program for Evans Wooden Creations. X equals number of signs produced, and Y equals number of picture frames produced. Z equals profit. And then we have signs produced, $20 each, and frames produced $30 each. So A equals 20 and B equals 30. My equation is Z equals AX plus BY, and Z equals 20X plus 30Y. Once I add in from this spot, once I add these to here. Right now I'm trying to figure out what is X and Y. So then we have his time, which is hours, and his wood, which is going to be units. So it only takes him 1 hour and 3 units of wood to make a sign, because signs are pretty simple. And it takes him 2 hours and 1 unit of wood to make a picture frame. And he only has 20 hours during the day, and he has a limit to 15 units of wood. So then I do time is X plus 2Y equals 20, and wood is 3X plus Y equals 15, also known as hours and units. Now if we come over here, I did set Y equals 0. So I did 3X plus Y equals 15. We get the 0 from the Y, so we get 3X equals 15, and 0 plus X equals 5, so we get 5X and 0Y. So then we get Z equals 20X plus 30Y. We get 20 with a 5, and then we get 30 with a 0. So then we get $100. But since it is not with both, we do not want that for Evan, because he wants to make both. Now if we set X to 0, which is 3X plus Y equals 15, that becomes a 0, and that becomes Y, which means we only get 15, which is 0X and 15Y. Z equals 20X plus 30Y. Z equals 20 with a 0 plus 30 with 15. Z equals 450. But since it doesn't have both sides, Evan doesn't want to do that. So then I show him another way he can do it. He doesn't want this one either, because it is only one-sided. You get to 0 plus Y equals 10, which is X0 and 10Y, which is right over here, which is then 0, Z equals 20X plus 30Y, and you go all the way down, you get only $300. He's interested in this last one, but since it doesn't have both, he doesn't really want to do it. And this one doesn't have both, so he doesn't want to do it. This one, which is Y will equal 0, we get X plus 2Y equals 20. X plus 2, so then we get the 0. And then we get, and then it equals 20. So 20 X to 0. My phone's getting too warm, so that's why it's acting up right now. So then we get Z equals 20X plus 30X plus 30Y. Sorry, I can't read that. And then Z equals 20, and then 30 is, then 30Y is 0. There it is. Then we get Z equals 400. Evan was interested in this, but since it didn't show both of them, he didn't like it. So then I added them both together. I started off with this side. I tried my best to solve for X, but then I saw the Y. I need to solve for Y, so I came over here. I saw that there was a Y by itself, so I switched spots with the 15, so I got 15 minus 3X equals Y. So then I come back over to this side, change out the y for 15 minus 3x equals 20. So then we got 3, so then we got x plus 30 minus 6x equals 20. So minus 5x equals negative 10. So then I did a quick division, x equals 2. Then I added the x to this equation. Then we got 15 minus 3 minus 32, 15 minus 3 with 2 in a parenthesis equals y. Then we got 15 minus 6 equals y, so then we got 9 equals y. So then we got 2, 9. Evan got interested, so we got z equals 20x plus 30y. 20, and then we also got, with the 2, becomes a 40, then 30 with times 9 becomes 27. 270. So then z equals $310. So the one that everyone wanted was this one because it was the most efficient way to do it. And that is how I got Evan's wooden creations to be extremely efficient. Thank you.